Hello everyone, today I am going to give you some information about the JavaScript syntax. For that we will first create a new file and save as JavaScript syntax.html. After you save it as HTML, it will change as this. So if you write HTML, all the codes will be written automatically. So what are the syntax? I will give some example. This is syntax x, y, z. This is syntax x equals to 5, z equals to x plus y. These are the syntax. So it is a set of rules how JavaScript programs are constructed. So JavaScript values, for JavaScript syntax define two types of values. They are fixed values and variable values. Fixed values are also called literals, while variable values are called variables. So in literals there are two types of value which are string value and that numerical value. Now we will write some code and we will look about the JavaScript variable first. For this we are going in the body tag and write code next to JavaScript variable, and in the paragraph tag in this example x is defined as a variable, then x is to assign the value of 6. Okay, for this we will write p and id equals to demo. You can write any name in here. In id equals to, you can write user, you can write demo, you can write anything. And I will introduce JavaScript code script. I will define the variable x, x equals, and I will give the value of 6 to the variable x. Then document dot get element by id and bracket and demo and then after inner HTML equals to, I will put the value of x here, then semicolon. You should always write semicolon after the statement in JavaScript. Okay, let's save it and run it. Okay, the value is 6. Then after we will introduce a literal, and that is I will introduce a string over here. For this I will write I will delete it and I will write here string debug. Control save and open with live server. Yes, the debug is written here. And if I will, here is double quote, if there is a single quote, there will be no problem in the JavaScript in the HTML. Okay, same result as before. And if I introduce a number here, I will introduce number. There will be the number. In number there is the no need of the double quote. But what if we write here without quote? It will not be shown in the output. So for the string we should always write out the code in here. This is the main part of this lesson. Okay, thank you for watching. Keep like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.